Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how you can draw a cute little panda valentine for your friends. So let's get started. Fold a sheet of paper into 4, like that, and cut them out. So now I have 4. I'm just going to put a piece of paper behind so that I don't mark up my table. First I'm going to draw it with pencil, and then if I make a mistake I can erase it. So I'm going to leave some space up here for my words. So I'm going to start with one large circle, like that. And I'll have one ear here, and one ear there. And pandas have really great big eyes like that. And that's not their eye, that's just the black around the eye. So this is going to be his little eyes. And a little nose. Come down straight like that, and like that, and I'm going to make him smiling like that. And then I'm going to make one arm, make the other arm. I'm going to give him a fat little body like that, and then he's going to have his little black legs. And I'm going to put a little heart here because he's a Valentine panda. So now I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to go over all my lines. And if I see a line like here where I'd like it to be rounder, I'm just going to correct that when I make my black marker lines. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now I can erase my lines. And if you'd like, you can also do your words with a pencil. So I'm going to put pandas are cute and so are you, like that. And I'm going to put Happy Valentine's Day here on the side. Now see, I'll have to move it over. And here I will put from. And now I can do all this in black marker. Like that. I'm going to erase my lines. And I'm just going to make some little wavy lines around the outside edge. And I'm going to put a few little hearts all scattered over the card. Put a couple of little eyebrows. And there you go. There's a cute little Valentine that you can make for your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.